The VW concept, the ID Cross, is an excellent example of using light in a lot of different ways. You can see light being used in the headlamps and historically safety features. You can also see the lighting being used across the vehicle in what we would be calling a signature lighting, with the diffusion of the light making a nice solid bar, uniting both headlamps. The Volkswagen logo is also illuminated from back. Within the headlamp itself, there's a lot of technology. There's the light blades that you can see. Here they're positioned in a very vertical fashion, providing the safety of the light being thrown out onto the road to be able to see, but it also adds a very three-dimensional aspect to the vehicle's headlamps in and of itself. What you can see is also on the top of the vehicle, you can see two blue discs. Those are actually the different LiDARs that would be deployed. And when the discs are up and illuminated, that's giving a note of color, if you will, to the pedestrians, knowing that I'm in autonomous mode. When they're off, we expect that light to be off as well. So light's being used for safety purposes, for pedestrian protection, it's being used for driver visibility, and it's also being used to help differentiate the vehicle overall. Here from the back end, starting with the top, you can see the photo cells for helping to power the car. You can also see those blue discs again, like we saw from the front of the car. As you come down, you see a lot of black trim, and then here from the blackout area, you can see that the red tail lamps are really offset by the flat black appearance of the large area. The interior of the Volkswagen concept takes all these lighting concepts we've seen on the outside and very well carries them over to the inside. You can see, starting really with the instrument panel, there's ambient lighting, there's high gloss, and there's low gloss being deployed there as well. We saw some of those effects on the outside. And some of those lighting effects are carried over to the door trim here as well. You can see some of the backlit red trim around the low gloss of the door bolster that's there. That carries over to the rear doors as well. When you look towards the controls of the vehicle, even though we suspect this is a level 4 vehicle, you can actually see a high gloss steering column assembly matching the high gloss display that's there. You can also see, by not having any center console there, you're able to bring in a lot more foot room to be able to reorient yourself within the vehicle. So this really is a great way and a great demonstration of how exterior lighting themes of signature lighting can play with interior lighting themes of ambient lighting, carrying color and illumination throughout the vehicle.